Topic: lymphatic system. We say it is the second important circulatory system. First one is blood, and this is the second important one because it permeates the entire human body and transports a liquid called lymph from one body tissue to the blood vascular system. Lymph is also known as the middleman because of the role it plays. The composition of this system is, it consists of number 1 lymph, number 2 lymph capillaries, number 3 lymph vessels, and number 4 lymph nodes or glands. Now, first of all, what is lymph? It is a light yellow colored fluid. Light yellow colored fluid. It is mobile because it is the connective tissue, the fluid connective tissue. It is mobile and it drains into the lymph capillaries and it comes from the intercellular spaces. So it is a light yellow colored fluid, the mobile fluid, a connective tissue which drains into the lymphatic capillaries from the intercellular spaces. It is of two parts. Even lymph has two parts like blood. It has plasma and lymphocytes. Plasma, same way the fluid matrix, similar somewhat to the blood plasma. And it contains protein molecules, digested fat, molecules, germs, as well as certain dead cells. And what the lymphocytes, these cells are meant for? These are meant for the special type of WBCs. We know B and T lymphocytes. Special type of WBCs which are responsible for fighting against infection. Lymph is also known as the extracellular fluid. Why? Because it takes away all these cells and it always lies outside the tissues, outside the cells. It only flows in one direction, that is from tissues to heart. ये एक ही डायरेक्शन में चलता है, टिश्यू से हार्ट तक जाता है, बैक फ्लो नहीं करता ये, because it also has valves in it to prevent the backflow of blood. So this is all about lymph. Light yellow colored fluid, mobile, moves from intercellular spaces to lymph capillaries. Its composition says it is made up of plasma and lymphocytes. Plasma means composition same as that of blood, but also has proteins, fats, which are digested fats, germs and dead cells. Lymphocytes are special types of WBCs which are going to fight against infection, and these are B and T lymphocytes. This is known as middleman extracellular fluid because this stays outside the cells and it moves only in one direction, tissues to heart, and backflow is prevented with the help of valves present in the major lymph vessels. Now talking about the lymph capillaries, the second part. Lymph capillaries. Now these are blindly ending meshwork of thin walled, that means these are curved at one end, blindly ending meshwork of thin-walled, highly permeable tubes. Diameter always vary. Why? Because these are very thin-walled permeable tubes. Capillaries होती हैं तो उनका diameter vary करता है according to the location. Now, tissue fluid that drains into the lymph capillaries, whatever is the tissue fluid coming from all the other directions, these drains into all these capillaries, and all the capillaries join to form a big lymph vessel. Okay, this is the tissue fluid which is coming from all the other areas entering into the lymph capillary, and now all this is collected and moving to a lymph vessel. What are lymph vessels? These are the lymph containing vessels formed by joining of the lymph capillaries. What are these? These are large tubes. They resemble veins, but there are no valves in it. They join with the venous system near the heart, and the tissue fluid which is flowing in the lymph vessel is slightly concentrated. Why? Because there is some water which generally it loses out of it when it is moving all across the system because of the permeability of the walls. So these are large tubes, no valves, like the venous system, joins near the heart, and allow concentrated fluid to move across. अब आते हैं हमारे लास्ट टॉपिक पे इन दिस lymphatic system only, lymph nodes situated at intervals through the lymphatic system. सिस्टम के अंदर जगह जगह पे ये नोड्स होती हैं. What are these? Nodes are the masses of reticular tissue which is wrapped to form a capsule node. ठीक है, capsule like formation. These accumulate somewhere in the lymph nodes. These generally lymphocytes, and they start producing antibodies. So mainly what happens here? Antibody production. किसकी तरफ से? By lymphocytes. याद है ना lymphocytes? We have just done plasma के साथ क्या होते हैं? Lymphocytes. The special type of cells which are going to fight against infection, B and T cells. So they form antibodies here wherever the lymph nodes are present, and they remove bacteria and other foreign particles from the lymph. Fine. What is the collective function of lymphatic system? First of all, functions. When we talk about functions, we say absorbs some of the fluid from the digestive tract. Number 2, drains excess fluid from the extracellular spaces back into blood. Carries unabsorbed digested fat, CO2, nitrogenous waste from tissues to blood, protects the body by killing germs, helps in the production of antibodies by B and T lymphocytes. What are these B and T lymphocytes? T is cell mediated immune response and B is antibody mediated immune response. ये क्या होता है हमारी बॉडी के अंदर? Antibodies are not only the type of one type of cells. These are B and T, two different types of cells which are specialized for performing their function. So B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes, they work together but they are produced in a different manner, right? T are specialized cells and B are cells which are going to help in the formation of antibodies. This is about the lymphatic system.